Hello friends, myself Dr. Surekha Rode. Today we are going to see basic categories of plants. Plant classification here, monocot versus dicot. Basic categories of plants based on structure and function. There are two basic categories. First is monocot and second is dicot. In monocots, one cotyledon is present and in dicotyledon, two cotyledons are present. Leaf venation in monocot, veins usually parallel, and in dicotyledon, veins usually net-like. In monocotyledon, stems having vascular bundles usually complexly arranged, and in dicot, vascular bundles are usually arranged in rings. Root in monocots are fibrous root system, and in dicot, taproot system is present. Flowers in monocots are usually floral parts in multiple of 3, or in dicot, floral parts usually in multiples of 4 or 5. Then plant bodies. Plants like here multicellular organs like tissues are present, root, stem and leaves are present. Each plant organ has dermal, vascular and ground tissue system. Dermal means epidermal tissue system, vascular tissue system and ground tissue system are present. Plant tissues, dermal tissue system means outer covering and it protects all the parts. Vascular tissue system consists of vessels throughout the plants, that is xylem and phloem. Main function of tissue system is transport of materials. Then ground tissue system, body of plant is called as ground tissue system. Main function is photosynthesis, storage and support. Then plant tissues, dermal tissue system is consist of outer covering of plant. Epidermal tissue system forms outermost layer of plants. Cuticle having waxy covering, then it reduces evaporation, inhibits microorganism invasions. Then root hairs, extended root surface increase and absorption. Then epidermal tissue system consists only in wood plants like bark. Bark means dead cells, protection and supports. Then plant tissue system, dermis, special dermal cells is called as guard cells. Guard cell which protect the inner cells. Then here plant tissue system, special dermal cells are present like trichomes and root hairs. In trichomes, hair-like outgrowth of epidermis. Trichomes keep leaf surface cool and reduce evaporation. Here root hairs like tube extension from epidermal cells greatly increase the root surface area for absorption. Then plant tissue system, vascular tissue system, two types, that is xylem. Xylem dead at maturity. In xylem consists of tracheids and vessel elements. Tracheids is narrow tube-like cells, vessel elements like wide tube-like cells. Then vascular transport system. Xylem moves water and minerals from roots to shoots. Then phloem. Phloem consists of sieve tubes like wide tube-like cells. Then companion cells which support and regulate sieve tubes. Phloem moves water, sugars and amino acid and hormones. Then monocot and dicots differ in the arrangement of vessels in the roots and stems. Plant tissue system, that is ground tissue system, consists of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Tissue that are neither dermal nor vascular are called as a ground tissue. Ground tissue internal to the vascular tissue is pith. Ground tissue external to the vascular tissue is cortex. Ground tissue includes cells specialized for storage, photosynthesis and support. Then ground tissue system consists of parenchyma. Parenchyma is thin-walled cells. It is living cell. Here plant metabolism, photosynthesis, hormone secretion and sugar storage. It is a main function of parenchyma tissue system. Then ground tissue system, collenchyma, having thick wall. It is also living tissue. It offers support, that is flexibility to the plants. Then ground tissue system, it consists of collenchyma, offers support and help in transportation. Then roots which need sugars from photosynthesis, shoots on water and minerals absorbed by the root. Root rolls anchoring the plant, absorbing mineral and water, storing organic nutrients. Then here two types of root, that is taproot system and fibrous root system. In monocot, mostly primary root dies, it is replaced by new root forms stem. In dicot, typically of dicots, primary root forms and small branches of roots grow from it. Then root structure and development. Here root consists of three main part: root cap, zone of cell division, and zone of elongation and zone of maturation. Here in maturation zone there is a Casparian strips form waterproof barrier material supporting vascular bundle. Then here roots, many plant having modified roots, that is mangroves having prop root system. Then some tuberous plants having aerial roots. Then buttress root are present. Main function of root is storage root system. Stem and alternating system. Here stem consists of nodes and internodes. Then here axillary buds are present. Then here also apical bud which are located near the shoot tip, lens of shoot, apical dominance which maintains dormancy in most nanoapical buds. Then stem consists having three types of plant tissue. This is all about tissue system. Thank you for